Georgia's medical marijuana industry are moving forward. Both passed just hours before the crossover deadline. CBS 46's Rachel Polanski live at the Capitol now with how these bills could impact Georgians with chronic illnesses. Good evening.
Good evening. It is crossover day, which means this is the last day that a bill can cross over from the Senate to the House and vice versa. And there are two medical marijuana bills tackling the stalled licensing process that we've been covering for months.
That's a vest machine that is shaking him to get the mucus out of his lung.
Desperate for relief, Sebastian Kott has taken difficult steps to help his son Jagger find comfort.
We had to move to Colorado and we became medical refugee. We were there for 13 months back in 2014, 2015. And when we were in Colorado, we discovered that cannabis can really help Jagger.
Jagger suffers from a rare neurological disorder called Lee's disease. Doctors said he would not live past his 4th birthday. But today he's 11. And Sebastian credits high CBD, low THC cannabis oil as the key to his progress.
Reduce his seizures from anywhere from 15 to 20 before the cannabis to 2 to 5, even less some days. And then we were able to reduce his muscle pain dramatically.
The General Assembly legalized possession of cannabis oil in 2015, but gave Georgians no way to access the medicine. Finally, in 2019, this 7-member commission was chosen to craft regulations and license cannabis producers. And in 2021, they announced these 6 winners from a pool of nearly 70. Almost immediately after, there was backlash from losing bidders over the selection process and lack of transparency. That included protests and lawsuits and have kept this program from getting off the ground. Under Representative Bill Werkheiser's bill, lawmakers would essentially cancel the current medical marijuana program and start from scratch with a brand new application process. And even the 6 winners would have to reapply.
Don't know if it's perfect, but it's if we don't do anything, we're in a very bad place.
Werkheiser's bill would also expand the number of licenses based on increases to the number of registered patients in the state's low THC oil registry.
It grows as the number of licenses grows. And then every 10,000 additional patients, that will add one more large license and one more small license. And we'll keep doing that.
A bill from Senator Jeff Mullis is also calling for more licenses to be issued based on the number of patients in the registry. But unlike Werkheiser's bill, Mullis does not want to start the program over. Instead, he wants the commission to reevaluate already submitted proposals and issue licenses to the highest qualified applicants.
That just sounds like a lawsuit waiting to happen, right?
Meanwhile, parents like Sebastian are growing increasingly frustrated, telling me that neither of these bills holds the answers.
I don't think they understand the impact that their decision, their horrible decision, is going to have on so many people in Georgia.
And as of a little over an hour ago, both of these bills have crossed over. Sean and Rick, I do want to mention, though, that a lot can happen and amendments can be made between now and the end of session. Reporting live from the Capitol tonight, I'm Rachel Polanski, CBS 46 News.